laggy, and it sucks.
Oh, I got a sheep pet.
Nice. So you're the one who's doing all the... Oh, we're recording. Alright. You ready?
Yeah.
Wow, this is lagging like crazy. Alright, what do you want to play? Pixel Painters? Or whatever it's called?
Build battle?
We can play Build Battle, I guess.
Anyway, so
Speed... Is it called Speed Builders?
There's a build
Wait,
battle.
we should play Block Hunt.
Oh yeah, Black Hunt. Alright, so I'm in lobby 15. Are you in lobby 15 too, or... Oh yeah. Got it. Alright.
I'm in lobby 21, but it's finding a game that we can play.
Alright. Yep, so I already accepted.
Yeah, I saw. Wow, it's no longer accepting players. I have already found it. And no, I haven't. Oh well. Okay. Are you logging in?
I'm gonna just swap the hiding.
Are you in?
Yeah.
No. Where are you?
It was 25 out of 24 players.
Oh, there you are. Ha.
Graphics.
Critically.
Hello. Eddie.
What?
Looks like cosmetic.
Oh, joining world.
Oh.
What are you?
I'm a TNT.
Yeah, I'm a piece of stone. Ah!
Isn't we stone now?
Oh, and I'm lagging now. Dang it!
Okay, now I'm a bookcase. I'm hiding from the countries. Alright, where's... Oh god, there's one release.
I don't know where to go. Because apparently you get hurt from bedrock. Or water. I think it's water. I cannot become a solid block here. Why? This is a slab? You know what? Fine, I just won't become a solid block here. I'm just gonna chill here because there's others here too. I don't care that I cannot become a solid block here.
My spot is obvious, but no one's come over here yet.
Yeah, mine's low-key obvious.
I see a gamer tag.
Dang it. I died.
I think we get gamer.
Where are you?
I'm in like a spot where there's only like 3 bookcases. Oh.
Did someone come near you?
Coming.
Is it me? You're in a spot with 3 bookcases?
Oh, connection lost. Really? Why does it do that? Why is it doing that? I have 4 Wi-Fi bars. Like, what the heck?
Okay, I found a chicken.
Yeah. Unfortunately, it just kicked me out of the game.
What the actual F?
Yeah, I'm like mad. It just kicked me out of the game.
It did?
Like the block hunt just like kicked me out of the game. Or it's whatever the server is. Yeah, let's wait for you.
Okay, this chicken absolutely hates me and is trying to kill me. And I'm so done. They're obviously hacking. Are you on top of a
Wait, are you a hunter now?
Yeah, I'm a hunter, but there's the chicken that absolutely hates me.
I just fell off again. Oh. I'm just playing in the lobby because I'm just, you know. Emerald Pearl. Oh shit. It's blind.
I swear he's hacking.
Ready? Whoa. Oh god.
Someone just said stop hacking them.
I'm gonna put out my pets. See what's that. Bazame the sheep. Wow. Alright, let's go. Hey, Bazame. Bazame? Yeah. Yep, Bazame. Woo. They do the chest thing again. Bazame, where'd you go? Bazame.
Wait, are you still alive?
I'm in the lobby.
Oh, you
They just
are.
kicked me out of the game, so I'm like, ooh. Okay, this sheep is so slow. What sheep? What sheep? Yeah. What sheepy? Whoop. Whoop. This ancient treasures, only one own.
Damn, this would have been a good place to hide. Oh, by the way, we're playing on Mineplex. It's pretty great. I didn't know if I said that already.
Oh, what?
Oh, that has a wither rose in it.
I got a pet cow. A melon
Nice.
launcher, yummy. Paintball gun, let's go.
Bro, these have wither roses. I'm joining in on this. What is this?
Up in the sign there.
Oh, it's night. Okay. Hiders won the game.
Nice. Alright, when you get back in the lobby, can you, like, rejoin the party?
Did it exit the party?
Yeah.
Here, send it.
Right. Okay. Ready slash, how do you do it? Add. Invite. Join. How do you do that?
/ party.
Oh.
You wanna try speed builders?
Yeah.
Hold on,
Yeah.
what games are there?
Okay.
Dragon Escape? Ooh, draw my thing. Sorry, I've it's been so long since I've played Draw My Thing.
Alright, we can play Draw My Thing. That was fun. Did you get my invite?
I sent you an invite.
Oh, you did?
I just... Okay, do you draw my thing?
Alright. Alright. I still have my Mewtwo skin on.
That's great. I have my skin that I found on... Oh, boy.
This source...
Oh, boy, I just started lagging because of the resource pack.
Yes. Should I say yes? Or no?
Yes.
Got to say yes.
Oh boy. My whole Minecraft is just reloading now.
Oh, it's me. Okay. How are you doing?
Hold on, mine's still loading.
Alright.
Okay. What's the word?
Strawberry. I thought there's colors. Oh yeah, there is colors.
Duh! They're right there. Strawberry.
I really said that strawberry looks amazing.
That's a beautiful strawberry right there. What?
What is like happening? Oh, handcuff.
Yeah, handcuffs. You missed an F.
There we go.
Why green though? There's literally. Oh, it's me.
Alright, what's the word?
Pajamas.
Wait, what was it? I'm sorry.
Pajamas.
Oh.
That's the closest we're gonna get.
Or someone else guessed the word too.
Yeah, that's the closest we're gonna get. I was like, I have to. Boat!
I like this little area that it's in. That.
Hat. It can't be.
Yeah. Oh.
What?
Looks like a car. It's not a car. Oh, taxi?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, we're tied!
Yeah.
DJ Sorrow. Like the Irish Sorrow?
Oh, that's a long word. Let's see what he's got.
Well, yours was long too.
Yeah, strawberry. Alright. Oh, wait.
Ha! It's jellyfish! Zap!
They should have been made of pink and then draw a SpongeBob jellyfish.
Nah.
Oh, it's me again.
Oh, it's you? What is it?
Notebook.
Notebook?
Yeah. Okay, this is not gonna look cool.
Are you using the line
wow.
tool?
That's the line tool.
People are gonna be so confused once they realize it's a notebook.
I like the sixth letter. Looks like a tree. Legs. Jungle?
It's not jungle. Jungles. I'm so confused. What is going on?
Jug?
Juggle. How? That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, it's not juggling. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's not juggling.
Oh, I'm up.
Wait, what?
I'm up.
Alright.
Eraser.
That's so weird. Eraser.
Diamond. No.
Bruh.
That's the best I'm gonna get.
You can do like a sky view too of an eraser. So it's like you draw a rectangle and then you draw like a backwards right triangle for one of the sides and then another right triangle for the other side. But it's like facing different ways.
I tried writing pink pearl on it.
Yeah, I had a big one that said "oh shit" on it. Mrs. Yankee made me like take it off.
Oh no.
Yeah. Alright, these people are working together.
Toaster. That's not a toaster.
But that's not. That's.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, what is it? Okay, we got 6 seconds. That's fine.
Camera? Oh, it was so close!
Yeah, doesn't that look like a camera for some reason?
You know, now that I think of it, it kinda did.
That's a penis, sir. That's like. Why do it look like a seahorse?
What is that?
What's this say wrenching around like you? Oh, leash.
Hey, we tied!
Yeah.
Why are you in the thingy? I'm not in the thingy.
My skin looks cool. Oh my god. I didn't realize how cool my skin looked. But I literally just downloaded. This is somebody else's skin. But I just downloaded it.
Yeah, same with mine. Alright, so that's gonna conclude today's video because, yeah, I don't want it to get too long. So, yeah, thanks Payton for joining me.
You're welcome. Yes.
We can keep playing, just I'm gonna end the video.
Alright.
Look, it's my best friend! Okay. He's running away from me!
Here. What's the stairs?
Yeah, where does it go to?
Alright. Oh, nice. Goes to
Wee!
Whoa! Is that a dragon at the end?
A dragon?
There's
Donde?
no dragon. There used to be a dragon. No, it's at the end. That's the paper to pick the next map. Huh.
I just picked a random one.
Sugar Rush won the vote, so we're doing Sugar Rush, I guess.
Yeah, that's the one I picked.
So Oh, tree parkour. Oh wow. Okay, it's seashell.